Hello everyone. Now I will show you how to use the combination of two Excel formulas, index and match, to drag data from one table to another. First of all, formula index. Let's have a look how it works. So it returns a value reference of the cell at the intersection of a particular row and column in a given range. That means that if you set an array, for example, let's take this one, we can get any value from this array by its column number and row number. So for example, if we select 1 and 1, we shall get the value from the first row and first column of this range. So we shall get item name. If we, for example, set row number 2 and first column, we shall get chips, because chips is the cell with those coordinates that we set here. As for the match formula, it allows you to find a sequential number of specific value in a given range. For example, we want to find the sequential number of this cell in this range. So as we can see, it is number 4, and we want to find an exact match, so we press 0, and here we go, we have number 4. So if we combine those two formulas, we can get the following. So first of all, we write index match, so the array that we are going to get the price from is from here to here, and we press F4 to fix it while dragging the formula. As for the row number, we use match formula. So we say lookup value is an item name, which is here. Then we say item name is an array with a list of item names, and make sure that two ranges that you are using are starting and beginning at the same column, at the same row. Otherwise it will not work how you want to. And also we need to fix it. And as for the match type, we say 0. And we can also say that we want to use the first column, and now we need to drag this price, and it gives you the same result as VLOOKUP. But the point is, these two combinations are more convenient to use, and also they consume less memory. And they are convenient to use because it doesn't matter if the data that you are dragging is on the right side or on the left side from the initial column with your criteria. So that gives you way more flexibility. And if you are working with large sets of data, it will give you way faster calculations. That's it. Thank you.